Right guys, this is my chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna BIR style made at home. Absolutely fantastic guys, I'm going to enjoy this. So enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this week's video. On this week's video guys, we're going to cook another Indian restaurant style dish. I've got my basic gravy ready and I've got all the ingredients here. So fairly simple recipe. It's going to be chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna dish. So it's going to be very flavoursome with thick sauce on it and with some fresh garlic as well, guys. Guys, so before we go, guys, crack on with the cooking. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Please do comment, because YouTube algorithm likes comments, likes people interacting, engaging with the channel. So please do comment and let us know what you think of the recipe, any other recipes you want to see, or generally just pop down to say hi. Right, having said that guys, let's crack on. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get some oil on the pan. So not too much, it's about just under a chef's spoon of oil. Just going to check the camera to make sure you can see us. Fantastic. The ingredients guys, pretty standard stuff. What we've got for a jalfrezi, so we have got chopped green pepper and just under half a red onion finely chopped. We've got 3 or 4 green chilies, coriander, fresh garlic, about 4 cloves in there guys. I'm using 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. Again, my recipe, link in the description box. And I've also got 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to use methi leaves, salt, and I've also got the peppers and onions there. A bit of lemon juice as well, and we've also got our fantastic base gravy just there. There we go, you can see it. Right, first thing we're going to do guys is we're just going to put these on the pan, and what we want to do, we're just going to lightly just caramelize them first of all. So this probably will take about a couple of minutes, and what I'll do, I'll fast forward it and we'll see you when this pot's done. Okay guys, it's been about a couple of minutes. I've been gently frying them. They have started to caramelize, and you can see some of the colour change. So what we're going to do now guys is very quickly find myself a spoon. This will do. And add a tiny bit of haldi powder, and again just a tiny bit of chili powder. What we're going to do, we just want to give them a little colour and flavour them as well. So put on high heat for about 30 seconds. Okay, about 30 seconds or so guys. You can see that, right, there we go, that's how you want it. What we're going to do, we're going to leave this aside for now and crack on with cooking the curry now. So first thing I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add my garlic cloves in there. Just going to wait for this to go golden brown. Add my methi leaves on that. You can start smelling the aroma of the garlic and the methi coming through now. So I'm going to add my chili, the onions and also the peppers. Turn the heat down just slightly. We're just going to caramelize the onion now. Pinch of salt. Add salt to taste, guys, because everything else has got salt. The base gravy's got salt. The chicken's got salt already. So. Again, on the pan there's not much oil in there because most of the oil has gone in here, so I'm quite reluctant to add any further oil in there. Let's see if we can get anything out of here. There you go, just a bit, not too bad. Okay, so that's onion is looking good, guys. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add in our garlic paste, tomato puree paste rather. So garlic puree paste, normally I would use 1 chef spoon, but at the moment I've got the, it's quite thin, the tomato puree paste I've made. So therefore generally be about 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato puree will go in. So what we're going to do now, guys, is going to crack on with adding our curry powder and our chili. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to cook the masala really well. What I'm going to do actually at this point is add the chicken on it as well. See, the chicken's got oil as well, so there's no need to add loads of oil in there. They will all come out. So now the masala is cooking, the chicken is cooking as well. Well, chicken's pre-cooked anyway, but it will help speed the process up. Leave it on medium-high. A bit closer for you guys. There. Let the spice catch on the pan, no issues. As long as it doesn't burn, you're fine, guys. Add some coriander. Now let's add our base gravy now. Just a little bit, because we don't want the spices to start burning. So I'm still cooking the spices out, because this is a Bhuna dish. That. The spice is cooking, but it's not catching to the pan, which is great. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Please do comment, say hi. It'd be nice to hear from you, because YouTube does like lots of engagement, and that will help us promote our channel even further, guys. So please do so. Okay, so it's ready for our final layer of base gravy. Get that in there. Now we're going to give it a really good mix and let all of that spice cook now. Put that in there. But this is a Bhuna dish I'm going for, so thick sauce. If you want to make it really saucy, add more base gravy, guys. Put in there. A couple of wedges of tomato. Right, so the good mix. I'm going to leave it there for about a minute and a half to 2. This is chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna. Remember, if the oil rises, guys, currently is cooked, as well as it's a good opportunity that you can get rid of the excess oil that you don't want. Just tilt. So this is my chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna done. Final piece now, going to add quarter teaspoon of garam masala, and a tiny bit of lemon juice, guys. And that will help the flavour, the heat come out as well. That smells so good, guys. That's so good. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to have this for dinner. Okay, another chilli dropped in. Happy days. And that is our chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna done, guys. I'm going to take it off the heat now because I don't want to make it any more dry. Check it out. If you want more sauce, don't forget. And again, my recipes, guys, I've used chicken. You can use lamb, you can use prawn, vegetable, whatever you fancy. You've got the principles of how to make the chicken Jalfrezi Bhuna. Just replace the chicken with anything else. But I got that's done. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please do try the recipes. If you enjoyed our recipes, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Other than guys, thank you ever so much, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.